kausap na ni Kuya ang mga makakasama niyang house challengers.
Hey, Kuya! We're back!
Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking bahay. Anong pakiramdam naman na muli ay nakabalik ka rito sa bahay?
Super grateful, Kuya, and thankful sa opportunity na binigay mo sa akin.
Big thank you po sa opportunity na binigay niyo po and sa invitation niyo, of course. Dahil hindi naman po lahat na bibigyan ng pagkakataon makabalik again.
Hi, Kuya. I miss you. Nakamiss yung kami ng confession room. Tsaka yung boses niyo, Kuya.
Jazz, welcome back.
Thank you, Kuya. Naka 1 week free trial lang po ako sa outside world.
Makalipas ang ilang saglit,
Jaren,
Yes po.
pumunta ka ng confession room.
Lying.
Muli ko kayong pinagsama para sa isang mahalagang misyon. Ang maging house challengers. Dito, tutulungan ninyo ang taong bayan na mas makilala ang natitirang housemates. Ngayong linggo ay susukatin ninyo ang kanilang kakayanan at susubukan ang kanilang pagkatao upang mas malaman kung sino sa kanila ang karapat-dapat na maging big winner ng edisyong ito. Kayo ay mistulang magsisilbing malaking banta na maaaring umagaw sa kanilang pwesto dito sa aking bahay. Pero ang inyong pagdating at pagtangkang kumuha sa kanilang pwesto ay isang pagsubok lamang. Therese, Dingdong, Patrick, Jazz, and Jaren, maaasahan ko ba kayo
Yes po, Kuya!
para sa inyong unang task ngayong gabi ay kailangan ninyong suriin ang bawat isang housemate.
habang walang kamalay-malay ang mga housemates sa loob ng bahay, ay pinanunood sila ng mga house challengers sa task room. Dito, sinimulan na rin nila ang kanilang diskusyon.
I'm not trying to be biased, but Binsoy is definitely up there at the top. He's one of the most selfless housemates. He's always doing something for someone else rather than himself. And there's not one time we've ever had an issue in the house with Binsoy.
Pero nag-base ako sa pagstay ko dito. Pang 2 weeks. Yeah, he's talented. Yun nga, jolly, magaling makisama. Pero parang nakukulangan pa ako. Parang gusto ko mas i-test pa kung ano yung kaya niyang gawin. Kung ano pa yung kaya niyang ibigay.
Yeah, magaling siya makisama. Especially sa mga ibang housemates. Pero I'm not sure if genuine yung pinapakita niya. Hindi ko alam kung ginagawa ba niya to dahil alam niyang nasa show siya or talagang yun yung ugali niya. Big winner? I'm not sure.
Colette proved na, pwede kang magbago for the better while you are still inside the house. I think may mga nasasagot na sa mga insecurities niya before, and she knows na how to handle it.
Out of all the housemates, I think she's grown the most. And she's real. She doesn't hide anything. She's her actual self.
There are times na she's inconsistent kasi sa actions niya. Pero nakita ko naman dun kung paano siya nag-grow.
Check mo na dun. What is she looking for? To my first aid.
Keisha is the full package. She has what it takes to become a big winner. She's mature for her age. She's 17. She's talented, that's not a question. And she's competitive, but in a good way.
Kaya is really total package, actually. And hindi lang yung talent yung pag-uusapan, how din yung mindset niya
He treats this as if it's a competition, but the perfect balance between fighting for yourself and also enjoying your experience.
Do you know this guy?
I think she's the most underrated housemate. Hindi kagad siya naiisip when it comes to like chores or task. Hindi nakikita yung effort niya or hindi siya nabibigyan ng enough credit for that. But come to think of it, kapag may mga household chores, tumutulong siya. Kapag may mga task, she's very eager na mapanalo yon.
Parang may hold back pa siya. I know na she can do more, na mas mapakita niya pa kung ano niyang kaya gawin. Onting push lang sa kanya.
No filter. But at the same time, she's very emotional.
Kahit si ano, sino ba yung malaking tao, yung African?
JP is one of the most funniest guys in the house, I'd say. He doesn't treat it as much like as a competition. I think for him it's more on having fun. So I think if I see that JP is really fighting, that's when I'll be convinced that he could definitely be the big winner.
He's really longing for a connection of building relationships. And yun yung reason kung bakit mabilis mo rin siyang makapagaanan ng loob.
May big winner siya. Kasi sobrang kulang pa din yung nakikita ko in terms of initiative. Especially sa task.
Fiang is so strong. I don't think I've met a girl like Fiang before. She's really, really real. What I like the most about Fiang is that she really doesn't care about what anybody else has to say. But sometimes that could be her weakness. That sometimes she really doesn't want to hear anyone out.
The really good part about Fiang is she really fights for what she wants. She really fights for what she thinks is right also. Yun lang, she has to learn also sometimes to pakikisama more, especially if she's not comfortable with certain individuals. But she has to prove herself or improve also, especially sa mga things na she was already said, like constructive criticisms na nangyari. So she has to take note of that.
Fiang, siya yung mapapangalanan ko na talagang grabe yung development, grabe yung maturity inside. What makes me hold back when it comes her being a big winner material is really when it comes to manners.
Talogan tayo, first ano pa lang.
He has a goal. And he's really good at strategizing. Alam niya why he's here eh. For me, he's genuine.
Nararamdaman kong marami pa siyang tinatago. At hindi ko alam kung kailan niya ipapakita yun.
For me, hindi siya nagpapakatotoo. Kung usapang laro, magaling siya maglaro. Pero, madami siya maglaro.